Today we will start discussing previous year questions. Let's see some of the formulas which are related to this topic. Sampler. It is plotted along the time axis where t is equal to nts. Quantizer. It is plotted along the amplitude axis. Unit step function. U of t is equal to, when t is greater than 0 it will be 1. When t is less than 0 it will be 0. We have to remember here f of x is equal to x square. If you put x minus 2 in place of x, you will get x minus 2 whole square. Unit impulse function. Delta of t is equal to, it will be, t will be 0. If t will be the 0 means it will be infinity. At 0 it will be else. So delta of t is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. Delta of t into dt is equal to 1. Y of t is equal to, it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Delta of alpha d alpha is equal to 1, where it will varies from, if t is greater than 0, 0 means it will be 1. If t is less than 0 means it will be 0. Next one is rectangular functions. Let's see the formula of rectangular function. A rectangular t by tau, where a be the constant, tau be the constant, and t will be the variable. So formula will be a, it is varying from minus tau by 2 less than t less than tau by 2. 0 else. A rectangular numerator by denominator. It a will be remain same. Minus denominator by 2 less than t less than plus denominator by 2. 0 will be else. Triangular function. A triangular t by tau. Here triangular minus tau less than t less than plus tau. For 0 it will be else. Equation of a triangle. A triangle numerator by denominator is equal to flower bracket a square bracket 1 minus mod of numerator by denominator. Let's see about the ramp function. R of t is equal to t into u of t. Put t outside, multiply with this. If t is greater than 0 it will be 1. If t less than 0 means it will be 0. It is the e axis and it is the r of t axis. So I will get the straight line. It is about the ramp function. We will start with the previous year questions. First question, find the output of the given sampler. It is the input and it is the output. Where sampler it is a switch, where the output is connected to the input. Take the input cos 300 pi t, where t is small t is equal to nts, cos 300 pi nts. And they have given ts is equal to 0.01 second. So substitute that in the place of ts. You will get and multiply this. You will get cos 3 pi n. So the final answer will be cos 3 pi n. Find out the mathematical model. It is the t-axis and it is the x of t-axis. Here it is a, therefore the x of t is equal to, it is a starting from 2 into plus. Therefore u of, it is starting from positive side at 2. It is moving towards the negative side minus t. So it is the answer. Next, find out the output of the given sampler. It is similar as the above question, where the input is a cos 200 pi t. Put t is equal to nts, cos 200 pi nts. Substitute ts as a 1 by 100, cos 200 pi into 1 by 100. Then you will, what they have asked in the questions, you have to find out at n is equal to 5. So cos 2 pi n at n is equal to 5 means, take cos 2 pi into in the place of n, you have to substitute 5. Cos 2 into 5 into 2 will be 10 into pi. So cos 10 pi. So the answer will be the 1. 4 delta of 3t plus 2. Find out the location and area. So the given is 4 delta of 3t plus 2. The location will be t is equal to minus 2 by 3. This is the location. To find out the area, keep this 3 into below the 4. So you will get area as 4 by 3 delta of t plus 2 by 3. So the area will be 4 by 3. See this question. Integration of minus infinity to infinity delta of t minus 2 into dt. The location will be t is equal to plus 2. So put that plus 2 into t square value. 9 into t square value will be 2 into whole square. Therefore 2 whole square will be 4. Therefore 9 into 4 will be 36. So the answer will be 36. Next, the given question will be 9 into t square into delta of t minus 3. So the location will be t is equal to plus 3. Though keep this 3 into in the place of t. So 9 into 3 whole square. So 3 whole square will be 9. 9 into 9 will be 81. So the answer will be 81. See this. Integration of 0 to 10. 5 into delta of 40 minus 20 into dt. First you find out the location. T is equal to 20 by 4. So the value will be 5. So the location will be 5. So to find out the location will be 5. Now let's find out the area. Area is equal to same 5 by 4 into delta of t minus 20 by 4. So the area will be 5 by 4. Next, 2t minus 3 delta of 2t minus 4. First find out the location. T is equal to 4 by 2. You will get the 2. Therefore the t value will be 2. Keep that t value 2 in the place of this. 2 into 2 minus 3. So 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 minus 3. Therefore the answer will be 1. Next, I is equal to integration of 1 to 2. 5 into t square plus 1 into delta of t into dt. First see here the t value will be 0. Here the t value will be 0. So 0 is not in the integration limit. Therefore the answer will be 2. Next, integration of 0 to 7. 5t plus 3 into delta of t plus 3 into dt. So first find out the location. T is equal to minus 3. So the answer will be 0. Next question. 5 integration of minus 5 to 10. 3t plus 2t square delta of 2t minus 10. First find out the location. T is equal to 10 by 2 means the answer will be 5. Therefore the location will be 5. Let's find out the area. Keep that 5 in the place of t in this equation. So we'll get 3. First equate the solution. Make the solution of this equation. We'll get a 3 by 2 t of plus 2 into t square. So 3 by 2, keep the t as a 5. 5 whole square. So take a 1 by 2 common outside. Then multiply 3 into 5 plus 2 into 5 whole square. 1 by 2. 5 3 is a 15 plus 50. So the answer will be 65. Therefore multiply this 65 with this. You will get 65 by 2. Next question. Find out the which one of the following is incorrect. First, f of t into delta t is equal to f of 0 into delta 0. So this is the correct, because f of t into delta t is take the t as a 0 means f of 0 into delta of t. So the first equation will be correct. Second equation, integration of minus infinity to plus infinity f of t into dt is always 1. Okay. Minus integration of minus infinity to plus infinity delta t into dt is equal to 1. Yes, it is also right. F of t into delta of t minus tau is equal to f of tau delta of t minus tau. So this is also right. Here, my integration of minus infinity to plus infinity, f of t into delta of t into dt is not equal to 1. So this one is the wrong. Next, find out the value of the given integral. I is equal to integration of minus infinity to infinity delta of t into cos 3t by 2 into dt is. Then to find out this integration, you have to compare this equation with this integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x of t into delta t into dt is equal to 0. So what you will get, the here the delta of t value will be 0. One second. Here the delta of t value will be 0. Hence you remove this. You will get cos of 3t by 2. So keep the t value as a 0. You will get cos 0. Therefore the cos 0 value will be 1. Next, I is equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity sin t into delta of t minus pi by 4. So the location t will be plus 5 by 4. So keep that t is equal to pi by 4 in place of t. So we will get sine pi by 4. So the sine pi by 4 value will be 1 by root 2. So the answer will be 1 by root 2. Next question. A current impulse of 5 into delta t is forced through a capacitor C. The voltage Vc of t across the capacitor is given by. We have to find out. we know that formula V is equal to 1 by C into integration of current I into dt. So keep 1 by C outside. Integration current will be 5 into delta t. So take 5 outside. So 5 by C into, where delta t into dt will be u of t. So the answer will be V is equal to 5 by C into u of t. So this is the answer of the voltage. Next, this one. Let see the current I is equal to the given question will be minus integration of minus infinity to plus infinity delta of at minus b into sine square of t minus 4 into dt. First find out the location of the given t is equal to 4. Next, compare this equation with the given this below equation. So delta of t at minus b will be 1 by a, the delta of t minus b by a. Keep that in this. So my integration of minus infinity to infinity 1 by mod a delta of t minus b by a into sine of t minus 4. So this t value will be t is equal to plus b by a. Next, sine of b by a minus 4 into 1 by a, take common. So the current will be I is equal to sine b by a minus 4 divided by a. So the answer will be I is equal to sine of b by a minus 4 divided by a. Next question. The integral of 1 by root 2 pi into integration of minus infinity to plus infinity t square into e to the power of minus t square by 2 into delta of 1 minus 2t into dt. So let's find out the t. Location will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by root 2 pi integration of minus infinity to plus infinity, keep the t as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into delta of minus t, 1 by 2 into delta of t minus 1 by 2 t square into e to the power of minus t by 2 into dt. So 1 by, take 1 by 2 outside, multiply this 1 by root 2 into pi. Here 1 by 2 into whole square, where the t value into e to the power of minus 1 by 8. So 1 divided by 8 into root 2 pi. So e to the power of minus 1 by 8. Here we have to multiply 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore the final answer will be this.